Watla ke Sorkar Pdeng kala shim ya karai ban penslori ki pat ba jung ki Jylla ka than chatai la mingi ban sedang ya ke jing Thung ya ki Diengtlai ban yo shna pniang lengba ka National Mission on Edible Oil Palm ni NMEOOP henrai na kalyang ke Sorkar Meghalaya kan sapha da ke jing tho sha ke Sorkar Pdeng halor ke jing kta ya ka khando la da rep ya ki Diengtlai ha ke Jylla. Ka Sorkar Pdeng hapok ke Jylla Menteri Rang Badu Narendra Modi ulakan tu ya ki Jylla ka than chatai lam mingi ban a jing kersan da ka basdang ya ke jing rep oil palm kenang bakari kan la ban pahu ha ka jing yo ya ka pniang. Ka Sorkar Pdeng kala sedang ya ka National Mission da ka jing temu ban rep ya ki oil palm ha ka jaka ka ban kot saka 10 lak hektar ha ka ri barok kawai bat ka jing lut jing sap ka ban kot da ki hajar kelur tengka. Namarkani ke Sorkar kala pai khamat ban penslori ke nongrep ka than chatai lam mingi khanang bakan longru kum kalat yo kam yo jam. Menteri Katanat Forest and Environment jong ke Jylla James PK Sangma habaya kren bat PCN ulong ba udap da kicing sngokya halor ke nika project jong ke Sorkar Pdeng ka bakot saka khatwe hajar klur tengka ban la penmi yak pniang namar ke jingrep yak oil palm kan kta jor yak jinglong jingman jong ke khandau ka siap bat yak mariang barok kawai. Ulong ki babuan hi ke Jylla hakari ki Pyrshah jor ban rep ya ki oil palm bat nakalyang ke MP jong katura ka Agatha Sangma kalada pha da ke jing tho so menteri rang badu kari Narendra Modi halor ke jingma ka ba am na ke jing rep ya ki oil palm. Nakalyang unababa ta chargi ubadon ya ke jing sngokya ban yada ya ka mariang ulong bakam long ka babyang ban sedang ya ke jing Thung ya ke Diengtlai ha ke Jylla Meghalaya ba ulong ru kiwe ke Jylla ha ke ri India ki bala sedang ban Thung ya ke Diengtlai menta ke la babelon bat ke la pensange sisendon ban Thung ya ke ni ki jatding namar ke la kta jor ya ke khando wat ya ke jinglong jingman jong ka mariang ru. Ulakan tu ya ke Sorkar Jylla bakam dai ban rai kirki ban sha ya ke ni kurukom Thung ding ha ke Jylla namar kamlong ka baya hap satya bat kan wan ra tang ya ke jing du'nong. Unaba bata chargi ulakan tu ya ke Sorkar bahaka jaka ban penslur ya ke Thung Diengtlai kadai ban pai khamat ban kentiu ya ke organic farming ni ke jing rep ke ba klem pendon kam ya ke dawai sebo.
Oil palm, you see, ladon problem affair more. This is a very critical plant. Hamdei to indigenous Jongapo India, the one Chabar. So this is the main problem, particularly for Northeast. When you talk in terms of Meghalaya, I think it is not feasible. Feasible in the sense, Pet Lari Jongi, the land also is a problem. Land holding system. 96% of the land belonging to the Kur, the clan, individual. Forest is there. And Pet Mantal to definition jong forest, it is considered if you have 250 trees per hectare, then only it is considered forest. So for oil palm plantation, you need huge areas. Then your water level should be very high, water supply. In the hill states, ladon problem, rainfall is high, but all the water flows down. So areas which will be feasible are the plain areas of our state, like adjoining Assam in Bhoi or in plain land of Garo Hills. Now you see, oil palm also has got other issues, economic. It takes 5 years. 5 years is the gestation period. So from 0 to 5 years, the farmers will not get any benefit. After 5 years, now the rate of oil palm is good because we are importing. Once they are a large scale plantation, there will be fluctuation in rate. And it will be a conversion of agricultural land to oil palm. So that also it is a big risk for the farmers. Number one. Number two, there is depletion in groundwater because it requires a lot of water. Then its lifespan is about 30 years. So first year to fifth year is gestation. then establishing period up to 9 years or 10 or 11 years, and then you get the production. So taking all these considerations, I do not feel, and mostly is diversion of forest land. Oil palm you cannot have in small holding. So you need big areas. So for big areas, you have to convert forest land and divert forest land for non-forestry purpose, which is not feasible because the strength, the USP of our state is environment and more than 75% forest cover. And then if it is profitable, what will happen? Small farmers, they will lose their land because the big landlords will come and purchase this land. You are seeing now even for coal and other issues. So they will lose their land, so people will also become landless. There will be one class of people who will be holding 70-80% of the land. So these are the multifarious issues for which I personally, besides the technical issue, is not in favor of oil palm plantation. We can do other sources. Why don't we declare our state as an organic state? You see, if you like the Millim, then your Nongkrem, just nearby Ken, Smith, Lausatun, you see the vegetables and other products which are grown. Why are we not encouraging all over the state? At least some part of the state declare as organic. It will give much more value addition to the farmers than your oil palm. So let us go back to the tradition, our tradition which we have in the Khasi Jaintia and Garo Hills region. And I think oil palm will be disastrous. You see, in Andaman they have started, but they have now stopped totally because of this impinging on the environmental factors and the forest cover of the state.
Yes, I think most of the states have been very opposed to palm oil, and Honorable MP from Tura, Madam Agatha Sama, has also written to Honorable Prime Minister, and I will also take this matter up with the Forest and Environment Department, Government of India also, that Meghalaya, if there are many avenues for scope of development and for growth. Palm oil with the kind of very destructive nature that it comes along with. I think that we will request the government of India to reconsider.